Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Range Rover Velar R-Dynamic HSE, finished in the very stylish Byron Blue. It's a 2-litre diesel, does come equipped with full service history, and it's sitting on those stunning 21-inch satin dark grey alloys. Taking the seat inside, you've got the Light Oyster leather interior, certainly does look the part, as well as the Meridian surround sound system and memory function for the front seats. Got a very well presented dashboard, as well as this vehicle come equipped with a sliding panoramic sunroof, letting a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle. Got ease of access to the navigation system. Apologise for the refresh rate on the camera, it is causing the flickering on the screen. It isn't like this in person. You've also got ease of access to the rear camera, working in hand with your parking aid to ensure full confidence. And to maximise comfort, you have got the park assist function there as well, making it a whole lot easier. Huge range of other features can be accessed with a simple touch. And these do include 2-zone climate control and heated front seats there as well. And to maximise your comfort, very luxurious feature to have, you have got the front seat massage. For more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.